what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a fantastic song, one of my favorites, John Lennon, Working Class Hero. Super easy, but also good. Alright, we're in standard tuning. Yes. Let's go. We got A minor. 1, 2, 3. We got G major. 1, 2, 3. So that's the main parts of the verses and the chorus. And then we got a D major in the chorus. Let's play in D9. First finger on 2G, third finger on 3B. And maybe not play the high E string, it's too major. It's just a D. The song is in 6/8. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And he does this thing that is so cool that makes the whole song, I think. He pulls on the D string while holding the A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Makes it so sad. Working class hero, something to be. A minor, G, D to A minor. So that's always the second part of the chorus. Verse. G, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The working class hero is something to be. A minor, G, D to A Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Chorus. Simple, right? But what a song. So, yeah, remember 6/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You do that on 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Cool, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Short but sweet lesson. See you tomorrow, and be safe out there. Take it easy. Thank you.